Artli Regional Committee Komiti Peit Nakamta Peit Khappud apo kami khla berkasam kata Komiti ni Pari Boy District berka Komiti RiKhasi District mentakaski ka platarik napra arajar arpei kila Aiti ya ka Kaiphod jengki ha Myntri Rangbah jeng jela ukon rat sangma laban kado ni be ya Komiti ni Pari Boy District lakli
We prepare the
Komiti ni RiKhasi District
report and also the recommendation according to the inspection on the ground zero, number one. Number two, according to the terms of reference indicated by both the Chief Minister. So accordingly, the report is submitted today.
When is the next meeting between the Chief Minister for both states?
Very soon it will be held, but before doing that, our Chief Minister will have a meeting with all the stakeholders, be it the political parties, be it the same, be it the council, be it the NGOs. He will first have a meeting with all of them, and thereafter meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will be fixed by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
And based on the report that we have given, we hope positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive.
Nakaliang jong Myntri Rangbah kajala ukon rat sama ulong ban nakaliang kabinet kasapet bat bisyar banyak ya kini ka jeng ai jeng bot nakini Artli Regional Committee bat kinang amban yo asoi pat ka Kaiphod nagoi pat ka committee kepada ini po Jainta Hills District.
Two of the committees have submitted their reports. One is from RiKhasi Hills and one is from RiKhasi District, and the committees have just submitted it about an hour back, so obviously I have not been able to go through it. So once the committees, once we go through the entire report, which we will do very, very quickly, because we want to call the stakeholders after this, and then we also want to have the meeting with our Assam counterparts after that. So we will be we will be going through these reports very quickly. I must take this opportunity to, of course, thank the entire committee and all the members and the chairperson of the committees who have really worked very, very hard. These are all interior locations, but they have traveled, and I think never in the history of the state has such kind of an exercise been conducted. So it's a very, very great and laudable work that they have done. And as I said, a lot of hard work has gone in, and we will definitely do justice to it by going through it in detail, and then, as I said, further discussing with other stakeholders and taking their opinions within the state, and then further at the earliest meet the Assam counterparts and try to take this forward to a logical